Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys fine. Doing this all quarantine and all. I know you're all home and boring. I am too. Anyways, I know you guys know what is about to go down because you read below. So without further ado, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment if you like this one or if you have more hacks or whatever call it DIYs you want me to do. Anywho, without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, this is the t-shirt that I am working with. Don't mind me, I am crazy. So first I'm going to use an all-in-one as a reference to cut out the size, well, what I think can fit me. Anyways, I'm just gonna cut out and leave some allowance, and then I'm gonna cut off the top. Afterwards I'm going to cut a piece out of what's remain of the sweater, piece of fabric, and I'm going to place it at the back part of the front and then stitch it down. I'm going to stitch it in what I call it, 3 rows. Stitch it in 3 rows. But before you do that guys, remember to stitch the edge of the top of your dress before you stitch in the middle, because that's gonna cause a lot of problems later on. So make sure you do that. This is me just pinning down the fabric in place so I don't have problem when I'm stitching. For this guys, I just do some straight stitch. Make sure you back stitch so your thread don't pull out and you have to start all over again. Okay guys, after you finish stitching that, we're just going to join the dress together, the back and the front together. I know you can't see, but I was cutting out some straps for my blouse. Just stitch these bad boys together and we are almost finished. Okay, this was what I was talking about. Because I cannot fold and stitch down the fabric because of the centerpiece. If I fold and stitch down, I can't drag it, so I had to just fold it and stitch only the part where my straps are going. So yeah, well, I was lazy, I could stitch around. So guys, this is my finished piece and I hope you guys like it. Yes, I got creative with those straps. Anyway, I know you guys like this one, so please drop a like, comment, and if you haven't, subscribe, and also click the notification bell, and please stay tuned for more. I think I'm going to drop a video to make masks for this coronavirus, so just stay tuned for that one. It's dropping probably a day after this or 2 days after this, whatever. Thank you for watching. Bye.